Are you looking for the best grow lights? In this video we will look at some of the best grow lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. LBW LED Grow Light. Out of all of the grow lights we tested, the LBW Grow Light stood out as being the most versatile. Thanks to its full spectrum lighting, 380 nanometers to 800 nanometers, an adjustable tripod and gooseneck, adjustable arm, this grow light provides the right amount of light for various stages of plant growth, from seedlings to larger plants. We were so impressed after our original round of testing with basil, tomato, and spinach seeds that we moved all of our houseplants of basil, spider, ivy, and other standard green non-flowering houseplants in small clippings under the light during the winter months in Iowa. Some of the plants had shown signs of slowing down for the winter, but moving them under the light allowed them to thrive again. While you can't adjust the red, blue, warm, white, and cold white chips individually, we found it easy to change the 6 brightness settings and set a timer for 4-, 8-, or 12-hour intervals on the controller for the entire unit. The light also comes with hardware, so you can hang it from the ceiling if that works better for your needs. Also, note that this isn't a subtle grow light or particularly stylish, so it does stand out. We've continued to use this light in our basement, so we haven't found it to be distracting at all. However, if you do want to put it away when not in use, the tripod is easy to fold and store, and the light doesn't take up much room. If you find that you need even more lighting, this option is available with 2 light heads and with a larger light head, or without the timer, for a few dollars less. Dimensions: 8.7 by 4.9 inches, light, 15 to 48 inches, stand, bulb type, LED wattage, not listed. At number 2. Soltech Solutions Aspect Grow Light. Hanging grow lights allow you to save space while providing light for a larger number of plants. But they can be tricky and time-consuming to install, and sometimes, they don't blend in well with your decor. While testing the Soltech Aspect Grow Light, we found it to be a great hanging option because it's easy to install and looks like a regular light fixture, including the braided cable, so it blends in even in small spaces. It's also easy to adjust as your plants grow. Over 6 months of testing during a New York winter, this grow light has made our houseplants flourish, with new branches, ripening fruit, or blooming flowers. Our plants under the grow light continue to do much better than those receiving only natural light by the window. We originally tested the smaller version of this light, 5.8 by 3.8 inches with 2000 lumens, 20 watts, and were impressed by its performance and the amount of natural-looking light it emitted. We also tested the larger version, 7 by 4 inches with 4000 lumens, 40 watts, and were just as impressed. Both are extremely powerful and provide a nice amount of natural-looking light. Whether you choose the small or large version, each grow light includes a 15-foot fabric cord, 3 ceiling hooks, 2 wall fair leads, Soltech's cable management accessory, and a swag hook. The cable and fair leads allow you to move the lamp closer or farther away from your plants, depending on the type and growth stage. Soltech Solutions Aspect Hanging Grow Light Hanging Over a Plant. The small version of the Soltech Solutions Grow Light, shown here, was easy to install and adjust above plants. The Spruce/Stephanie Vermilion. Installing the larger light took us only 10 minutes. However, depending on your experience hanging fixtures and where you are installing it, it may take longer. The light comes with clear instructions, clearly labeled hardware, and instructions on which drill bit to use depending on the surface, which we found helped speed along the process. Like any other grow light, and especially for any requiring installation, make sure you hang it in an area where you won't find it distracting. The light doesn't have any dimming capabilities, and while it provides a nice, effective growing light, it is very bright, although the smaller version is less bright. It does come with an analog timer, although we swapped that out for a smart plug, providing light for 12 hours per day, and other than that, it has no other features, you simply plug it in. At number 3. Leoter Grow Light for Indoor Plants. If you want to control the type of light at each stage of growth, the Leoter Grow Light is a great choice. We loved how simple this light was to set up, with no assembly required. We found it very easy to clip onto our bookshelf where we were starting our seedlings. The 4 lights were very easy to bend and adjust, which came in handy when we wanted to cover multiple plants or as our seedlings grew taller. While this grow light is relatively simple in design, there are no smart features for touch controls. We found the remote on the wire very easy to understand and use. It has a timer for 3-, 9-, and 12-hour intervals, and we found them to be very accurate. It also offers 10 different dimmer settings, so you can control the brightness in the room. Unlike many lights on this list, you can choose between warm, white, red and blue, or red, blue, and warm light, 380 nanometers to 800 nanometers, depending on the growth stage of the plants. A combination of all three delivers the most positive growth results. 1. During 6 months of additional testing, including winter in Connecticut, all of our plants have continued to thrive, looking stronger and taller and producing new leaves compared to our non-grow light plants. We've rotated houseplants under the light and continue to grow the tomato seedlings. The clip and flexible arms make this easy, so we can easily move it around to accommodate different plants. We've continued to use the 12-hour timer feature for consistent light, and we love not having to remember to turn it on and off. The only thing we would change about this grow light is the timer, which we wish had the option to stay on a little longer. Dimensions: 13.46 by 5.71 by 3.27 inches, bulb type, LED, wattage, 80 watts. At number 4. Soltech Solutions LED Grow Light. Don't let the simple design of the Soltech Solutions LED Grow Light fool you. This versatile grow light has many hidden features to help you provide the right amount of light for your seedlings or houseplants. We found it surprisingly lightweight, and it takes just a few minutes to install on a shelf or wall, or you could place it right onto a shelf. We chose to stick it onto our wall, but it also comes with hardware, so you can screw it onto the wall for a more permanent placement. The lighting is bright, but you can change the settings by tapping on the bulb. Placing it under a shelf will also help keep the lighting from spilling into the room. You can also rotate the bulb to direct the lighting towards your plants. We found the timer to be a bit tricky to set up, but it does come with clear instructions. We misplaced them for a bit, but once we found them, they were easy to understand. You do need to set up the timer at the time you want the lighting to start, but can then program the amount of light you want in 24 hours. If you'd rather just turn it on and off when you want it, you can just tap the bulb, or use the outlet on switch on the timer. We do want to note a few hiccups we had during the installation. Make sure the wall or shelf is smooth, since it may not strongly stick to textured surfaces. We installed it on a slightly textured wall, and it did have a hard time staying put, and did take a little paint down in the process. This proved to be an impromptu durability test, since it fell onto the floor a few times and still worked perfectly with no scratches. Once we installed removable command strips, we never had any other issues. This isn't an ideal option if you know you will need to move your lighting as the plants grow, unless you don't install it on the wall, but it's great for small houseplants or seedlings that you know you will move outside once they grow taller. After 6 months of use, we noticed new growth in houseplants that had struggled in the past, and our seedlings continued to thrive. Dimensions: 18 by 1 inches, bulb type, LED, wattage, not listed. At number 5. AeroGarden Bounty Basic Indoor Gardening. If you want a set it and forget it indoor garden system, complete with an LED grow light and self-watering feature, you'll love the AeroGarden Bounty Basic Indoor Gardening. We tested this hydroponic system for 3 months in our lab and 6 months at home and found it to be an effortless way of growing herbs and vegetables indoors each time. We only needed to spend about 5 minutes a week tending to our plants. Overall, we think this system is especially helpful for those who may forget to water, feed, or turn the light on for their plants, as you can set up the timer and be alerted on the touchscreen when food or water runs out. And if you are going on vacation, you don't have to worry about finding someone to water your plants. The setup was simple and took us less than 15 minutes, including preparing and planting the pods. After we inserted the pods and plugged it in, the touchscreen lit up with a quick plant page to let us know the next steps. It also gives you an estimate of how many days until growth, the water level, and when plant food is needed. We also liked the included trellis system. This was also easy to click in and install. Like most trellises, this is to help support the plants as they grow taller. We love that each of the plant pods has a note indicating the plant's eventual height, short, medium, or tall, which we found particularly helpful when figuring out where to plant them, front for smaller plants, back for the taller ones. We also found the arm of the light panel easy to adjust, so we could make it taller as the plants grew, as high as 24 inches, if needed. While this is one of the most expensive options on our list, we think it's worth it if you want a self-sufficient way of growing herbs and vegetables. Keep in mind that you do need to purchase special pods and plant food. However, AeroGarden does provide many different types of pods and plant food for purchase. Dimensions: 34 by 17.25 by 11.25 inches. Type: LED. Wattage: 30 watts. At number 6. GE BR30 LED Grow Light Bulb. For a versatile and affordable option you can easily install into most standard-sized lamps, we love the GE Grow Light LED Indoor Flood Light Bulb. We've tested this bulb several times, including during our most recent at-home grow light test, and think it's a great option for beginners and more experienced indoor gardeners alike. At 120 volts, it conveniently fits into most standard lamps, which means you don't have to go out and buy any additional accessories or equipment, and it should blend in pretty well with your other decor. We originally installed it in a desk lamp that we clamped onto a bookshelf, and could easily adjust to the right distance to the plants, but during our most recent test, we placed it on a floodlight socket that we connected to one of our existing grow light stands, so you can place it wherever it meets the needs of your plants. This light offers an advanced red spectrum, ideal for growing tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, fruit trees, and flowers. While assembly is as simple as screwing in a light bulb, the package did come with helpful height recommendations and illustrations for highlight plants. They listed tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, as well as low-light plants, leafy greens and herbs. It also recommends using the light 18 hours a day. This bulb does not come with a timer, but we were able to use one of our own. We tested the GE BR30 LED Grow Light Bulb in several of our existing light fixtures including a desk lamp. Photo: the Spruce/Stephanie Vermilion. We compared tomato seedlings that were growing under the grow light with seedlings that were not under the grow light, and there was a big difference in growth. Photo: the Spruce/Vivica Neville. We installed the light bulb in an adjustable light fixture that we moved as the seedlings grew. Photo: the Spruce/Vivica Neville. We think it's also a great option for an outdoor plant you want to bring in during the winter months. When we brought a coleus in to overwinter indoors, it did quite well. We also grew cilantro and a cucumber seedling. Unlike many other grow lights on this list, you will need to replace the bulb in a few months, depending on how often it is used. However, you can buy it in packs of 2, so you'll always have a replacement handy. Also, this light is similar to a floodlight, so it can be bright but can be pretty lightweight to move, depending on the lamp. We did notice humming from the light bulb when on during our testing, which only got more distracting as time went on. So we recommend placing this light bulb in an area where the noise isn't disturbing. However, for a simple way to provide supplemental lighting to one plant or a few small plants, this continues to be a great choice. Dimensions: 4.06 by 5.94 inches. Type: LED. Wattage: 9 watts. At number 7. Mars Hydro LED Grow Light. While testing the Mars Hydro LED Grow Light, we found that it's a great option for basements and other areas in your home that are dedicated to growing seedlings and plant care. We love that multiple fixtures, purchased separately, can be connected utilizing the same control panel, also known as daisy chaining. This comes in handy if you have a larger amount of plants and space. Installation does require several steps, but it only took us 8 minutes to set it up. However, it might take longer, depending on your experience with mounting fixtures and if you are connecting more than one. We found this grow light to be a mini sun in our basement. It is a bright light and has allowed us to grow lettuce, even during the winter, and get a jump start on our seedlings. However, it hasn't been as successful with plants that fruit or flower, perhaps due to the lighting it produces or difficulty with pollination. For other plants, the light has made a huge difference in their growth compared to those with no grow light. We grew basil and thyme under the light throughout the cold winter months, providing our kitchen with a steady supply of fresh herbs. This full-spectrum grow light does not come with an internal timer, but we were able to use one of our own to make sure our plants were getting an adequate amount of light. We like that the control panel does have a dimmer, giving you several intensity options. We set this light up in our basement, so we didn't mind that the light flooded the room. Setting this light up in a grow tent, cabinet, or under a shelf could help with this, but otherwise, this light wouldn't be a great option for common areas in your home where you wouldn't want a bright light. It also doesn't have a cable management system to keep the cords out of sight, which might not be an issue in a basement or other dedicated space. Dimensions, 5.5 by 17.3 by 16.9 inches, bulb type, LED wattage, not listed. At number 8. iGrowtek Grow Light. Whether you are starting seedlings indoors for the first time or need a small option for your space, this grow light from iGrowtek will give your plants a good start. At 2 feet long, this grow light setup doesn't take up much room and fits a larger seeding tray or a few plants. We used it in our basement, but you could fit it on a small table in any room, as long as you don't mind a bright light. We installed the light and stand in under 5 minutes, which included putting the light on the iron stand, adjusting the straps to get the light to the right height, and plugging it in. It does come with instructions, but we found the fixture was intuitive enough to set up without them. Aside from the stand and adjustable cords, the light doesn't come with any other features, like a timer or dimmer, so you will have to remember to turn it on and off, or purchase an external timer. Remember that this setup is only for seedlings or very small plants. The light can only be as high as 6 to 7 inches, so you will need to move your plants to a different grow light if you want to continue to keep them indoors. However, this is a great choice if you want to get ahead of the growing season and start your seedlings indoors. Dimensions, 27.2 by 2.3 by 19.7 inches, bulb type, LED wattage, 10 watts. At number 9. Gardener's Supply Company Stack and Grow Light System. If you want to start your garden by planting seeds indoors but have limited horizontal space, the LED Stack and Grow Light System by Gardener's Supply Company is a great solution. During testing, we loved that this compact, stackable design didn't take up much floor space and allowed us to keep counters and other surfaces free. More importantly, our seedlings thrived under the full-spectrum lighting during the entire 6 months of testing. This unit doesn't come with a timer or dimmer, depending on placement. The lighting could be a distraction, especially if you add additional shelves and lights, since it brightens the room. We set it up in our basement so it wasn't an issue, and we also used an external timer to avoid remembering to turn on and off the lights. While we didn't find it hard to assemble, it did take the longest on this list, at 35 minutes. The instructions were clear, but this is a larger setup, and taking it out of the packaging and assembling all of the pieces takes longer. We found it tricky to attach the light to the overhead rack, and we needed an extra person to help, but that was the only small hiccup in the process. Note that it is a bit tricky to adjust the height of the shelves and lighting as your seedlings grow. Our tomato plants started growing into the light, and we wished moving the light was as simple as some of the other options on this list. For example, our best overall, the LBW LED Grow Light, which we just had to move the gooseneck arms of the light. However, if you are starting seedlings, this isn't something you'll need to do too often. Dimensions, 31 by 15.5 by 21 inches, base measurements, bulb type, LED wattage, not listed.